Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing Google Opinion Rewards and signing into the exact Google account you use for Cod Mobile. This links earned credits to Play Balance. Once done, open Play Store settings and confirm your payment profile and country. Google uses that to allocate credits. Make sure notifications and location are enabled so surveys match your region and device. You'll receive surveys periodically. Respond promptly and accurately to maximize frequency and value. You now spend accumulated Play Balance on Cod Mobile CP. First, check your Play Balance amount in the Play Store. It must cover the CP pack price including taxes. Next, open Cod Mobile, navigate to the CP store, pick the desired pack, and select Google Play as the payment method. When the Play purchase sheet appears, choose your Play Balance and confirm. If your balance is insufficient, continue answering surveys or top up with a card. Timing matters because CP offers rotate. You finish by confirming CP arrived in Cod Mobile. Look at your inventory or inbox and restart the game if it doesn't appear immediately. If the purchase didn't go through, review Play transaction history to see errors and then contact Google support with the transaction ID. If credits aren't usable due to country mismatch, make sure your Play payment profile country matches your Cod account or add the correct Google account. If problems persist, wait a few hours. Most sync issues resolve after server updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.